This meticulously crafted ranch-style home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and is ready for you. This home exudes curb appeal with its contemporary design and well-maintained surroundings. Step inside to discover an open concept layout featuring soaring cathedral ceilings and a cozy gas log fireplace. The chef's kitchen boasts quartz countertops, a ceramic backsplash, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. And the central island with breakfast bar seating seamlessly connects the kitchen to the dining area. The primary suite offers a relaxing retreat with a charming window seat that overlooks the backyard. And the ensuite bathroom features a custom walk-in shower, double vanity, and a very large walk-in closet with direct access to the laundry room. 2 additional bedrooms provide comfortable accommodations for family and guests, and a second full bathroom ensures convenience for all. A well-designed mudroom with built-in lockers keeps daily essentials organized, while the adjacent half bath adds to the home's thoughtful layout. Enjoy outdoor living with the screened-in porch and covered patio equipped with a gas line. The landscaped backyard features an irrigation system, ensuring lush greenery year-round. As part of the Bridgewater North Villa community, residents will have access to the amenities, including a pool, tennis courts, and pickleball courts. Get into your new home just in time for summer. Call Emily Whitmer for all the details.